Yes, we are going to keep dumping. I told you we are. I made this video almost a week ago, 2 weeks ago. The bull market is over. Then I made part 2 that the bull market is over and we're going to keep dumping. People call me the idiot. Fine. Buy the dip. Keep buying the dip. Sounds like such a smart idea. Anyway, I said this a long time ago, and the reason why I'm a little bit frustrated today is because it hurts me that people are not listening. It hurts me that people are getting completely slaughtered because they just think, they just can't cope with the fact that the whole thing is done. Okay, I said this is the most divided crypto trader and personal network I've experienced in crypto. People who believe we go higher only interact with positive news. People who believe we go lower only interact with negative news. Time will tell, but it's not looking good. I mean, if you look at this, you can tell me that the Fourier cycle this time is different, and liquidity is coming, and rate cuts are coming, and the Fed is getting hawkish, or dovish. So what? So what? I tweeted this before FOMC and I said short-term markets are only moved by unexpected events. 3 cuts are priced in this year. A cut today is not news. I said this in FOMC. It wasn't news. Quantitative tightening is slowing. That's not news either. Good deal between Trump and the Chinese president. Not news either. And this is why yesterday the details came out and the market tanked. Hint to quantitative easing would be unexpected. Didn't happen. And then I said I just don't see why the market would catch a sustainable bid from the FOMC. I drafted this chart. This is on the day of the FOMC. If you're not subscribed to the channel, if you did not turn on the bell notifications, if you don't spend 5 freaking minutes to watch these daily updates, I don't know what you're doing. So I said this and I drafted this, literally this, on that show, and I said this is what I'm expecting. Look what happened. Exactly that. Exactly that. We came lower. The total market cap is down about 5%. Bitcoin is down from that point. Bitcoin is down about 4 or 5% as well. And the market is completely nuked. Like if you look at Solana, Solana is down from the highs. Solana is down 32, 33%. Anyway, I actually took this short and I let you know in the community. It's a free community, link in the description. Yes, it's free because I just want to help. I am going to have a paid product at some point, whatever. But we're over 10,000 people if you want to join in. Also link in the description. But I took this short, and this is the result so far. I said I'm cutting 25%. The reason is because I was pretty overexposed, and I want the bounce to come, and then I'm just going to sell off into it. Now, also talking about this setup is literally textbook. And I know a lot of people are saying yeah, don't post stuff like in the community massive AMD. I know, I acknowledge the fact that yes, we do need to have the course and all that. I'm sorry about this, but I'm going to drop a whole video on this trade setup because this is literally the reason. I also took a 50x leverage long on 2 different accounts. The reason is because this was the definition of a perfect textbook setup. So you have accumulation here that's been happening. I'm going to explain all this a little bit later on the channel, but accumulation, then you have manipulation happening. You even have a final spike resulting in an immediate drop. This is where I posted in the community. When this happened, this market structure here, I posted in a community and I said, rejection is happening. I left a voice note and I said, the rejection is happening. I am opening these massive positions. It was literally here because it was obvious. It was obvious that it is happening. Retrace, simple dump. Okay, and this will continue. Now, what is going to happen and what I believe is the next step. The next step is super simple. Every time, you can look at the total market cap as well. This is what I analyze usually. I hoped that we will be able to bounce here. I hoped. This is what I drafted on this chart. But we can't. Why? Because if you look at this, this was the bearish 4-hour and hourly OB. What did we do? We came up here all the way. We closed above. We closed above here, then closed below immediately, then retested. This is where I opened the shorts, and then we nuked. So I could potentially say, yeah, but there's going to be a retest into this, order block. There can be a retest at some point. But market structure works in a way, I'm so British now, I don't know why I speak like that, but market structure works in a way that it comes up, look at this, like this here is a clear break below the 4-hour low. Clear break, bro, clear break. It established, once we had this break below, I said the bull market is over because we have a daily close below here, right? So now, once that was done on the 4-hour, I said we established a new structure, which this is the low of. I said, if we break below here, we're going to retest and we're going to nuke further. What happens? The retest comes. Where? Exactly in that 4-hour OB. Then what happens? Nuke. Then what happens again? Every pump is here, as I tweeted. Every pump in the next 30 to 90 days is here to trap you. Exactly. What happens then? Pump. oh my God, bottom is in. Even people who I respect so much, bottom is in, buy the dip. Guess what happened? The only thing that happened, bro, is that it created relative equal lows that will be fucking smashed through today. Okay? Because the structure has to work. So either we have to have a massive bounce here, which is absolutely unlikely considering all the good news are out there and there is nothing happening, or we need to create a new structural low. So that would be down here, below the 3.46. That's the next step. Low, a high, a low, a high, a low, a high, a low, a high. And I hope that at some point we are going to see a reversal like this, where we see the market structure, and then we can target the 4.17 trillion, which I've been explaining. Please watch this video. I'm gonna put it up here. Please go and watch that if you haven't. There's gonna be the end of the bull market, and I'm gonna swap that now to the end of the bull market too. Please go and watch both of those videos if you don't know what I'm talking about. But if we see this, that's the only way that I'm going to start taking along, and then we're going to have our final push into the 4.16. But at this pace, as things are going, and this is what I said, is that I hope that we are going to get that push. But the probability is there that we simply fucking nuke from here. It is there. It can happen. So we will see what happens exactly. But I'm, as I said, again, you will see it in the video, but I'm out 50% of my spot positions. I sold all my degen plays, or most of my degen plays. I have the risky plays, which I left because they are down anyway, and I just, there's nothing to sell. Basically, I'm just going to wait with them. And then I'm just scalp trading. I'm trading, ins and outs, short time frame trades. But I just want you to be mentally ready that we can simply just nuke from here, okay? And a lot of people say, oh, Fefe is spreading FUD and whatever. No, I'm not spreading FUD, bro. I'm telling you what I see. And so far, I think I've been pretty spot on. So anyway, that said, I do believe that we are going to see a push into the daily OB 4.16, but that can come from down here as well. We can have another 20% down on total before we get the rally. And yes, there is going to be a 50, 67% on total, maybe 100, 150%. But from where, bro? From where? If I look at Solana, like Solana looks horrible, but like horrible. Look at all this liquidity. I would not be surprised to see Solana down here at 134. Like that would not be like, holy shit, Solana is down 134. It would not be. It's a 20% drop, and it can happen in days. And that's when we're gonna buy. And then, yeah, we'll just see. But buying here doesn't make any fucking sense. The only thing, also very important, not financial advice. Do whatever you want to do. Do your own research. I appreciate if you subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment if you whatever. Join in the community. Link at the top of the description. All that. But in general, obviously, I can't tell you what to do. You do your own research and you make your own decisions. But I want you to know all this. And this is what I think. And I think if you look back on the track record, I think so far it's been pretty decent. And you can make your own decisions. So yeah, just don't fall into the whole moon boy buy the dip kind of thesis, because it's just gonna get you fucked, in my opinion. Yeah, so next target, we might bounce here, up here, 365, and then nuke. But we definitely have to have a close below here in a 4 hour. Like I just don't see how that's not happening. So once we have a close below, maybe we're gonna have a close below here on a 4 hour, then have the retrace, maybe even liquidate these guys to come back to the 50% here, right? And once that happens, that's another opportunity at the short, and then just continue the way down, and we'll see where it stops. Guys, subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, please take 5-10 minutes off your day every single morning to watch these updates, and join in the community. Pin the Telegram channel on top. I can't help you if not, if you're not, if you're not following through. Like, I know people, I even put out a post here, and I'm literally sharing everything I do. I put out a post saying what position I hold. 2,300 people voted, and 38% said long, when it literally 5 posts above, here is the short position, clearly explaining that I'm going to go short. Like, I think, guys, and the reason why it hurts, the only reason why it hurts, because honestly, it's you do whatever you want to do, but the only reason why it hurts is because I'm giving all this free alpha, because I remember how it was being here and not having anybody who helped me. Now I navigate the market. I'm literally just helping you to help you. I can't put it in any other way. And you're not following, you're just too lazy to read 3 messages a day and watch a 10-minute show. Like, anyway, guys, this is going to be one video where it's going to be part 1 of the bull market is over. This is going to be part 2 of the bull market is over. You can click here to subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow in the next one. Turn the bell notifications on. I'll see you. Take care.